Hello, skincare warriors! Today we're spilling the secrets to that dreamy, dewy look. Grab your fruit basket because it's about to get juicy. First up, strawberries, packed with vitamin C and bursting with antioxidants. These little red wonders boost collagen production, making your skin elastic and oh so youthful. Next, we have the bright and beautiful oranges. Not only do they hydrate your skin, but their collagen synthesis keeps your complexion firm and smooth. Moving on to papaya, the tropical powerhouse. With natural exfoliant papain and a cocktail of vitamins A, C, and E, it nourishes and rejuvenates your skin, leaving it smoother and brighter. Don't forget about avocados. These creamy fruits are loaded with healthy fats and vitamins E and C, reducing inflammation and protecting against sun damage for that soft, supple feel. Kiwi steps in with its high vitamin C and E content, brightening your complexion and battling hyperpigmentation while improving firmness. And how about some pineapple? Its enzyme, bromelain, not only exfoliates but also fights free radicals, helping your skin maintain an even tone. Last but definitely not least, watermelon. This refreshing fruit is hydrating, plumping, and packed with lycopene, shielding your skin from the sun and keeping it fresh and youthful. Remember, glowing skin starts from within. Incorporate these superfruits into your diet, stay hydrated, and let your natural beauty shine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, take care.